Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm Hong. All right, so how to pick up the Tangkhul ladies? Okay, so first thing first, we want to protect our ladies, and I don't want this AI to give out wrong informations. So I just review it, and then this is what it is. Okay, I'm gonna share it to you, and let's review it together. I mean, we need to learn it together. Here we go. Let's go. All right, now I type how to pick up a Tangkhul ladies. It comes out like this. If you're interested in dating a in dating or getting to know a Tangkhul women, all right. The key is respect. That's true. Come on, let's go. That is good. Sincerity, and cultural awareness. Man, yeah, you got to have some knowledge about how it goes. You cannot expect the French lady when you date Tangkhul women. Right? So yeah, here we go. Here, that's how it is. Now, picking up in casual or aggressive ways usually backfires. That's for everybody. That's for everybody, right? I mean, playfulness or like one-liners and fun. It's all like depends on the humor. And we Tangkhul ladies, I would say, most of my friends or anybody, we are very humorous. Like we are good. We have a good sense of humor. I would say that. I don't know. I'm a guy myself too, so we are learning here together. All right. The next thing, this is how they have given you with the alternative, right? Here's a better approach. That's what they say. Lead with respect. That's number one. That is true. And in the bracket it says this is non-negotiable. Lead with respect. That's the number one value that was added here. I like ChatGPT. This is good. This is good. Tangkhul society on the first notes. Here we go. Here it goes. Tangkhul society values dignity and good character. Man, that is some good stuff right there, man. All right, and that will include be polite. All right, that's true. Be polite. Come on, man. Calm. Be calm. Well mannered. Okay, well mannered. All right. That's all right. That's good. Now avoid. Now the next thing is avoid grudge jokes. Don't get too dirty with the jokes. I would say, pushy flirtings. Yeah, it's not necessary. Make it light, but make it subtle. All right, showing off. On the contrary, showing off. Tangkhul guy want to show off. I think. Yeah, but showing off, it's not good. That's what they say, and I believe that is true. Next is treat her as equal, not a target. Nobody wants to do that. All right, number two, show genuine interest, not just attraction. Okay, I don't know what it is. Let's go. I know what it is, but let's make it more clearer here. All right, first thing first, ask about her family, studies, work, hometown, or interest. Listen more than you talk. Again, number one rule everywhere. Remember details she shares and follow up later. That's true. All right, that's good. That's good. Now, number three, be culturally sensitive. I like this one. All right, let's see how they say what they say about culture. Many Tangkhul women are raised with strong Christian values. That's true. Because see, the thing is, we are mostly all the Tangkhul ladies are. I mean, we are mostly Christian people. We are raised, yeah, I mean, different type of Christian maybe, but we are also all Christian people. Now, on that category, there's public behavior. Of course, how you behave outside, how you behave when you go out with her, whatever it may be. Language, right? Language. I mean, that will be for everybody, right? And boundaries matter. That is a good one. Boundaries matter. That's good. That's great. I think crossing the boundaries might be the worst. That will be the, yeah, that's true. Don't rush physical closeness. Trust come first. For everybody, not just Tangkhul. I think. I mean, whatever it might be, but different culture, different style. So I think this works best for the Tangkhul ladies, and that I would like to say. I agree. All right, number four, confidence without arrogance. I think this is a good tip for every guy out there, man. Be on that category, be clear and honest about your intention. Yeah, don't beat around the bush, man, or don't play. Next is confident is attractive, bragging is not. We don't have anything to brag about anyway. All right, it's okay to be simple and real. Simple and short, simple, just simple, play it cool and simple, man, and get your intention clear and correct. That works. Number 4 is very good. All right. Number 5, friendship first works well. Okay. Now this says it grows naturally from friendship. Right. Spend time talking, laughing, sharing ideas. I love that. Let things develop instead of forcing romance. Okay. All right. But don't fall deep into friend zone. That's coming from my side. All right. Then next, let's go to the next one. Compliment, but keep them classy. Just make it simple. The good one here is I like how thoughtful you are. Damn, that is deep. You have a great sense of humor. I like that. Everybody likes that. Guy or girl, everybody like that. Avoid compliments that are overly sexual and superficial. Yeah, that's true. All right. The last one here we have here, number 7, is be patient. Tangkhul women generally appreciate consistency and seriousness over fast move. Okay. If don't like with Tangkhul girl, you say, hey, I like you, let me take you out, and she say no, try again. All right, that's what it is, man. I think so. I don't know, man. I'm just noob like everybody. Be patient. That includes Tangkhul women generally appreciate consistency and seriousness. Show your seriousness. Study the room. Okay, if she's interested, she will show it gradually. Okay, I got it. That's the last one. If she is interested, she will show it gradually. Nobody can speak for nobody, man. I'm just slightly sharing my this idea. I mean, these things that I saw on ChatGPT, right? It's same everywhere around the world, right? How you interact with, or how you study the. I don't know, but I'm just saying that's it. Yeah. All right, let's share more coming up. Let's go.